Hi everyone, back with me again on this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on Capcut. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Capcut apps, and then I want to add my tutorial video, and I want to add the subtitles to this video by using the auto caption feature on Capcut. So what you need to do is add the video that you want to add the subtitles into, and then click on text, this one right here, and you'll find the auto caption option. Just select that, and then here you can choose whether you want to use the original sound, voiceover, or both. And you can also choose whether you want to remove selected caption and select language. For example, this video I'm using in English, and if you use other language, you can just choose from the options right here. And when you're done, just click on continue, and then here you'll find the CapCut will creating the auto caption, or it will transcribe the audio into text, and we just wait until it finish. Okay, so here as you guys can see, the transcription process is finished, and the subtitles will appear right here, and you can move it as you like, if you want to put it at the center, at the bottom, or as you like. And then you can also change the style by clicking on this, and you can change the style, the color of the text. For example, I want to go yellow or black or anything that you like. I want to go yellow like this, and you can also apply it to all of these auto caption. And when you're done, just click on check, and let's go check the auto caption or the subtitles. Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel so as you can see, the text is put correctly with the audio, so it aligns with the video. So I think the result is okay. And when you're done, just click on the arrow right here to download the video. Okay, so that is how you can add subtitles on CapCut. It's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.